Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So in today's video, we will fix this issue as many of you have seen such type of error, window update error, like your device is missing important security update. So we will fix it today. So there are many steps. So each step is different from others. So you have to just watch this and at the end of the video, you have to tell me at which step your issue will be fixed. So let's start. So firstly, you have to just go to settings, click on settings, and then you have to go to system, and in system you have to find out troubleshoot. If it doesn't here, so you have to just type troubleshoot the problems, and here it is Windows update. So you have to just run the troubleshooter, so it will be running and detecting problems. So after it will be completed, when it will be complete, so if it find any error, so it will be detected and solve it. So after this you have to just restart your PC. After this updation complete, so you have to just restart your PC. If I wait, so my video will be too long, so I will have to just close it. So after this, run this troubleshooter, you have to just restart your PC and your issue will be fixed. So in second step, after this, if it doesn't fix in your system, so you have to just go to again settings. In settings you have to just go to, I'm already in the setting, so you have to just go back and go to privacy and security. Here it is. At here you have to go to Windows. You have to just type here Windows security. Here it is. You have to just find out virus and threat protection. Here it is. As you can see, no action needed on my system. So in virus and threat, you have to check this scan option, and you have to just go to the settings of virus and threat protection, and you have to on this real-time protection. It should be on. If it is or turn off in your system, so kindly turn it on. And after this you have to just restart your PC and your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, so you have to move on services, which is basically our third step. So you have to just type here and go to services. In services you have to just go to Windows update, so you have to just type window update. In W section you have to scroll down and find out the window update. Here it is. In window update you have to double click on it, and here it is. As you can see, by default the startup type is manual. You have to change it into automatic. Here it is. You have to change it into automatic, then you have to press stop, and then you have to apply it, and then click on start button, and you have to figure it out that your service status, it should be in running state. So it is in my running state, so I have to just click on OK. So you have to just work same as for background intelligent transfer service. In the B section, here it is background intelligence transfer service. You have to just double click on it, and you have to type automatic, delete start, and then you have to click on apply and click on start, and then click on OK. So by doing this, after this you have to update your PC, so your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, so you have to move to step 4, which is basically again settings. So in settings you have to just type setting, and you have to find out window update. Here it is. I'm already in the window update. So you have to just scroll down. Here it is, as you can see, updates available. It's 2025 one cumulative update for Windows 10 version. So you have to just click on install now. I'm not installing it. I will be installed after this video. So you have to click on install if there is any update available. And after this, you have to click on view optional updates. And you have to check if there any update regarding Windows. So here it is not. As you can see, only driver updates here. So go back, and this you have to just click on this option, install now. So after this, you have to check Microsoft window update. As we can see that there is not any Microsoft Windows update, only driver Windows update here, drivers updates here. So you have to just update this window. As you can see, I will be update after this video. So after this, you have to just restart your PC and your issue will be fixed. So after this, if it doesn't fix in your system, you have to just go to again services, and in services you have to go to window update again. You have to just scroll down and find out Windows update. Here it is. You have to just open it and you have to disable this and click on stop. When you click stop, you should not have to click anywhere, and you have to just open this PC by default, and you have to click on C drive and click on Windows, and in Windows you have to go to software distribution. Here it is, software distribution. In software distribution, you have to delete all the files. Here you have to just delete it. So we have to click on delete. As you can see, you will need provide administrator permission to delete this folder. So you have to just click on continue. So you have to wait after all these files should be deleted. If someone is not deleted, so you have to just skip it, as I am doing. Here it is. So after this, you have to go to again window update. After deleting the files, you have to go to window update. Here it is, in services, click on window update, and now you have to again change it to automatic. Click on automatic and then click on start, click on apply. So I'll check again that your service status, it should be in running state. Yes, it is in running. Click on OK, and then you have to restart your PC. So after this, your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, so you have to go through one last step, which is basically command prompt. So you have to just type cmd and click on run as administrator, and as you can see, it will allow your access. So you have to just type yes, and in here you have to just type qd sfc space forward slash, then you have to type scan now. After type this qd, you have to just click enter. So it will be take some time, and it will like scan your entire PC for error, and it will be verify. As you can see, it will verification go through the verification process, and your all the errors will be fixed by scanning this, by entering this command. So it will take some time, so you have to do it in your free time. So after this updation will be completed, so you have to just click on reinstall your window update, then the issue will be fixed, and you will not see such type of error like your device is missing important security update. So you have to just tell me at which step your issue will was fixed, and by doing comment. So if you like my video, so kindly share it, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.